Hi, I'm Riley.
Hi, I'm Talia.
And today we're going to be making sandwich skewers.
For step one, you're going to want to take your knife and cut the bread or toast into squares.
And I'm using bread.
Yeah, and I'm going to use the toast.
So we're going to show you which is a better one to use.
Or which one you just would want more.
Or which one will work.
Yeah.
Honestly, we're just doing this.
As soon as you finish cutting, you're going to move on to step two. Step two is pick your favorite ingredients. It can be whatever you really want. And then you're going to take your skewer and then put whatever you want first. I'm going to put on whatever this is called. What are you going to put on first?
I'm going to put on the bread first.
And I'm going to put on, tomatoes. Okay. And you can cut these or just leave them whole. We're leaving them whole, though.
Because we have baby tomatoes.
Yeah.
If you have the big ones, you probably might want to cut it.
Yeah. What are you going to put on next?
Kale.
And then I'm going to go on with my first piece of bread.
You didn't even put on your bread yet.
Nope. Yeah, I'm going to go on to cucumber. What's your favorite ingredient here?
My favorite ingredient is pickles. What's yours?
Pickles.
Great, mine's look alike. Yay. Pickles. Two pickles. One for eating and one for putting on. Okay, and now you have your sandwich on a skewer. And if you didn't put enough ingredients, you can just, if you start too low and think you're gonna put enough ingredients, but then you don't or don't have
Slide
enough,
up.
just slide it up. It tastes very good.
Here you go. Okay, bye.
Okay, thanks, bye.